Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the Adjust Structure Pipe Elevations command. This command was created in an effort to speed up the process of setting connected pipes elevations all at once where they connect into a specific structure. This has gotten a little bit easier in the later versions of Civil 3D, but if you go to Structure Properties, there is a Connected Pipes tab, and you can see the connected pipes and adjust the invert or centerline or crown elevations here manually by typing in the values. So they have made some improvements here, but this command is still a little bit faster if you're setting them all to the same elevation. So and you don't have to get into the dialog box. So if you just run the Adjust Structure Pipe Elevation command, select go to Settings, you can see you have Crown, Centerline, or Invert, however you want to control the elevation. I'm going to use Crown, and if I select that structure, it's going to give me the elevation of the most common elevation within the pipes there. There's 3 pipes connected, so I could enter in 650 for the crown elevation, and it's going to adjust all 3 to that. Now, if I drag a pipe up and rerun the command, I can also select a pipe. Let's say I don't know the elevation of this pipe, but I want these 2 pipes to match that pipe. So I could select pipe and select it by that nearest end. And then I also have an adjustment factor here. So if you wanted it to be 1 foot lower than the crown here, or a half a foot or something like that, you could make that adjustment pretty quick by typing in that value here. I'm going to leave it at 0 and hit enter. And so it pulled up the other 2 pipes to that location, or to that elevation. So that's Adjust Structure Pipe Elevations. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.